This is what the cube should look like after we're done with part 1, where all the yellow pieces are together. So I will be referring to this sheet when referring to the faces of the cube, where the middle is yellow would be U, where the middle is blue will be B, where the middle is red it will be R, where the middle is white it will be D, where it's green it will be F, and where it's orange it will be L. And if you ever get confused, just refer to the chart again. So we're gonna start with just getting the top color. Simple step to first solving the Rubik's Cube. So to get all the colors here, we just have to move all the colors that are not on there up to here. Now you can choose whichever color you want to do. I'm doing yellow, and you need to choose the color that's in the middle. You can't do yellow from here since the middle is blue. So we're going to start with yellow here. Now since this is in the middle, I will move this middle piece, and then I will move down F, and then put the middle piece back in and move it up. So now the middle has come from here to here. Same thing with this corner piece, where you just move the corner out of the way first, then you bring down the side you want the corner to go to, and then you bring the corner back in and you put it back up, and now the corner is right there. We went from here to here. Now the rest of the pieces are down here. That's a little tricky. So what you can do, since there's only one color up here and two are not, we can move this, moving D here, so now it's in line with the two pieces that are not there, and we just bring them up from the bottom, and now they're a lot more manageable. And instead of doing it one by one to get them up here, we can just do it together, where we both move both the pieces to the other side, bring down the piece where we want them to go to, and bring both of them together again and move it up. So now we have most of the color filled. Now we have this one left. We have this one left and this one. So for this one, what we're gonna do is the same thing we do when it's up here, but we're gonna treat it as it's down here, but we're gonna treat it as if it's up here. So we're gonna move it down there so it's in line, not directly under the piece we want it to be at, but below it. Then, like we do before, we're gonna move it away, but rather than bringing this down once, we're gonna bring this down again, move it into place, and move it back up twice. Now you see this line's missing, but it's just over on the side here. You can just move it back. Now we have one piece left, and that piece is right here. So you can either get this piece to line with his, where you just move U so these two pieces are lined up, or you could just move this bottom piece twice and it'll be in line. And you see the same thing again for the corner, where you move it out of the way, bring it down, move it back in place. Now it's in line, and you move it back up, and that's one color. Done. This is the first step in solving the Rubik's Cube. For the next colors, watch the next video.